One of the best ways to build a following in your area is by shooting pieces of content in places within your city that you know everyone would recognize. For example, let's just say there's a studio in your city that every artist books, or there's a venue that every
Listen to
artist
him.
performs at. You can book the same studio or the same venue, and when you're there, you can shoot content based around your music. For example, if you book the studio, you can lip sync one of your songs or freestyle, and you can shoot a bunch of clips like that, and then you can post those clips and run ads within 20 to 30 miles of where the studio's at. That way, you know everyone within your city is going to recognize that specific studio or venue, and they're going to see that you're an artist from their city. And that's more likely to make them listen to your music, even though it doesn't guarantee that they'll like your music, but they'll definitely give you a try. And if your music is good, you can pick up a lot of fans from your local city this way.
If you all like this video and you think this was helpful, put helpful in the comments. And also, if you'd like to learn more things like this and you want me to share with you, put learn more in your comments.